The last thing is never read the details without analyzing the heading properly. So don't go into what it is unless you know what you are getting into. So it is like knowing the depth and jumping into the water. If you do not know the depth and jump into the water, suppose it is only 1 or 2 feet, you will hurt yourself. Right? Nobody takes a dive at 1 or 2 feet. So you judge the depth and then getting in, which is why the depth is given by the head. Now let us do an experiment. This is an actual experiment which you can actually see happening to ourselves. I am giving you a passage from I borrowed it from the net. I will later show you where I borrowed it from. Read the whole thing and see if you can make any sense out of it. Because the heading is not there, I don't think anyone on earth will know what we are talking about.
Cake. Is it about a cake?
Cake. Why do you need a hard surface for cake? So you just saw baking and then thought it's a cake.
No, there are many things.
See, once I supply the heading, it becomes so easy, everything will fall into place. So actually, let me supply the heading. You will know all the sentence make a lot of meaning. How to break a coconut. So keeping the heading in mind, all the sentence will.
Oh my God.
Now I got the clue at 3 eyes. From there I referred it.
Now this is the point I want to bring home. Why I chose this particular thing was, even breaking a coconut is the most difficult for people who don't grow it. Actually, there are 28 steps for you to know to break a coconut. In our country, you give it to anybody, they will break it even before you say coconut.
Yeah.
Right? You don't need anything. But this is something that I came across long ago because one fellow had written a book about how to break a coconut. So then I thought, why do we need a book to break a coconut? By the time you even pick up the book, you can break a coconut. But this is where everything gets complicated because you don't know what exactly is happening. Because reading is not understood, processing is not understood, how the brain working is not understood. Everything is made so complicated that we don't even know what we are doing. Once at least you know you understand the process. We talk about what is known as meta memory. If you know how the memory works, memory will work faster, better. But if you don't know how the memory works, whatever you do, your memory will not be stronger. So here, if you know how the coconut breaks, you don't have to bother about the ice and other thing, all the thing, hammer. You know, they go to the extent of using a corkscrew. In India, where do you get a corkscrew? Okay. All these are not necessary. In India, you need just your hand and then the coconut, and you can break anywhere. If you are living in a flat, you need at least one hammer or one stone or something. And every day we are breaking coconuts without even reading it. So when we are actually using it on a day-to-day basis, why are we trying to understand the whole process unnecessarily? So this is the same understanding that we have to do. Studying is something which is made out like a coconut now. It's not difficult. But it is made out like 28 steps are there to tell you how to study. But actually it is not. It's an automatic process. Because learning is part of our life. Whether you like it or not, whether you want it or not, whether somebody wants you to do it or not, throughout your life, from the day you are born till the day we die, we keep learning. Nobody can stop us from learning. Just the way we breathe, just the way our heart beats. But people still tell you to learn something as if it is a separate activity. No. If you are not learning this, you are learning something else. All you have to do is decide what you are going to learn. That is the only choice you have got. Learning is an automatic process. For that, you don't have to do so many things and steps and then tell you what to do. Which is why I have more of don'ts rather than do's. Because we are doing unnecessarily too many things. Once you break a coconut like this, you will hate breaking a coconut. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You will not buy a coconut. Because, see, sometimes you have to bake for 15 minutes. Who will wait for 15 minutes to open a coconut?
Well, we can break it in 15 seconds.
Yeah. When you can break it in 15 seconds, why are you actually baking it for 15 minutes and then taking, wait for it to cool down, then taking it, then break it. And for one other supposition they have is when the water is inside, you will not be able to break properly. So first you have to take out the water.
For that we need to search which eye is the softest.
Soft eye and then break there, make a hole and then take it, which is why corkscrew and all is needed. So if you go to website, there are so many videos about how to break a coconut. For us, it looks ridiculous, yes. But for them, it is very necessary. Because they have not seen, they have not grown a coconut. But for us, we see it every day. Suppose you go to Kerala where coconut is their part and parcel of life, they will be breaking coconut almost every second. And they don't even think of breaking a coconut. For them, always coconuts are available.
In temples, they have that place that just there the coconut can break.
Yeah, and they will break 100 coconut, 101 coconut in a few minutes. Okay, they don't study this. So, try to understand that one heading is necessary, another is unnecessary process lead to complications rather than efficiency. Okay, the difference between a professional and an amateur is a professional knows what not to do. An amateur doesn't know what not to do. This is the basic difference. Okay. Any doubts in this never list?
No.